Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరితో షేర్ చేయండి. ఫ్రెండ్స్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. దాంతో నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ నెట్వర్కింగ్లోని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్. మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్, the IETF standards document are called option A RFC, option B RCF, option C ID, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option A RFC. Second bit, in the layer hierarchy as the data packet moves from the upper to the lower layers, headers are dash. Option A removed, option B added, option C rearranged, option D modified. Answer వచ్చేసి option B added. మన third bit, the structure or format of data is called dash. Option A syntax, option B semantics, option C struct, option D none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option A syntax. Fourth bit, communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. Option A automatic, option B half duplex, option C full duplex, option D simplex. Answer వచ్చేసి option D simplex. Fifth bit, 3 or more devices share a link in dash connection. Option A unipoint, option B point to point, option C multi-point, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option C multi-point. Sixth bit, which of these is not a constitute of residential telephone line? Option A high speed downstream channel, option B a medium speed downstream channel, option C a low speed downstream channel, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option C a downstream channel. Option C a low speed downstream channel. Seventh bit, the function of DSLAM is option A convert digital signals into analog signals, option B convert analog signals into digital signals, option C amplify digital signal, option D none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option B convert analog signals into digital signals. Eighth bit, choose the statement which is not applicable for cable internet access. Option A it is said broadcasting media, option B it includes HFCS, option C cable modem connection home PC to Ethernet port, option D analog signal is converted to digital signal in DSLAM. Answer వచ్చేసి option D analog signal is converted to digital signal in DSLAM. Ninth bit, the transmission media has the high transmission speed in a network. Option A coaxial cable, option B twisted pair cable, option C optic fiber, option D electrical cable. Answer వచ్చేసి option C optical fiber. 10th bit, the portion of physical layer that interfaces with the media access control sublayer is called. Option A physical signaling sublayer, option B physical data sublayer, option C physical address sublayer, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option A physical signaling sublayer. 11th bit, the physical layer translates logical communication request for the dash into hardware specific operations. Option A data link layer, option B network layer, ఆప్షన్ సి ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ లేయర్, ఆప్షన్ డి నన్ ఆఫ్ ద అబోవ్. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ డేటా లింక్ లేయర్. 12th bit. What is a web browser? Option A program that can display a web page. Option B, a program used to view HTML documents. Option C, it enables user to access the resource of internet. Option D, all the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all the above. 13th bit. URL stands for option A, unique reference label. Option B, uniform resource locator. Option C, uniform resource label. Option D, unique resource locator. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, uniform resource locator. 14th bit. What is document object model, DOM? Option A, converting for representing and interacting with objects in HTML documents. Option B, application programming interface. Option C, hierarchy of objects in ASP.NET. Option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి convention for representing and interacting with objects in HTML document. 15th bit. There are dash types of computer virus. Option A 12, option B 10, option C 5, option D 7. Answer వచ్చేసి option B 10. 16th bit. A dash is an extension of an enterprise's private intranet across a public network, such as the internet, creating a secure private connection. Option A VNP, option B VPN, option C VSN, option D VSPN. Answer వచ్చేసి option B VPN. 17th bit. In mid-1981, the first virus from Apple computers with the name Dash came into existence. Option A Apple 1, option B Apple 2, option C Apple 3, option D Apple virus. Answer వచ్చేసి option B Apple 2. 18th bit. Dash infects the master boot record, and it's challenging and a complex task to remove this virus. Option A polymorphic, option B multiparting, option C boot sector virus, option D trojans. Answer వచ్చేసి boot sector virus. 19th bit. Which is not an object of internet security? Option A identification, option B lock, option C authentication, option D access control. Answer వచ్చేసి option B lock. 20th bit. CHAP stands for option A challenging handshake authentication protocol, option B challenge hardware authentication protocol, option C circuit hardware authentication protocol, option 4 circuit handshake authentication protocol. Answer వచ్చేసి option A challenge handshake authentication protocol. The information that gets transformed to encryption is dash. A plain text, option B parallel text, option C encrypted text, option D decrypted text. Answer వచ్చేసి option A plain text. Second bit. Coded division multiple access differ from time division multiple access because there is no option A bandwidth, option B time sharing, option C link, option D carrier. Answer వచ్చేసి option B time sharing. Third bit. In carrier sense, multiple access possibilities of collision still exist because of option A propagation delay, option B sender receiver delay, option C సెన్స్ డిలే, ఆప్షన్ డి ట్రాన్స్మిట్ డిలే. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ ప్రొపగేషన్ డిలే. ఫోర్త్ బిట్, protocol that is used to transmit data without any scheduled time is dash. Option A random access, option B controlled access, option C channelization, option D none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ random access. Fifth bit, carrier sends multiple access is based on media called dash. Option A listen before talk, option B listen before sending, option C sense before transmit, option D sense before collision. Option C sense before transmit. Sixth bit, transmission media are directly controlled by the dash. Option A data link layer, option B network layer, option C physical layer, option D session layer. Answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి ఫిజికల్ లేయర్. సెవెంత్ బిట్, రే ఆఫ్ లైట్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్స్. ఫ్రెండ్స్ అక్కడ స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్, అక్కడ రిఫ్లెక్ట్స్ కాదు. రే ఆఫ్ లైట్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్స్ అండ్ మూవ్ క్లోజర్ టు సర్ఫేస్ దెన్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఈస్ డాష్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు ద క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్, ఆప్షన్ బి లెస్ దెన్ ద క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్, ఆప్షన్ సి నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్, ఆప్షన్ డి గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ద క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి లెస్ దెన్ ద క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్. Eighth bit, guided media provides a conduct from one device to another, includes dash. Option A twisted pair cable, option B fiber optic cable, option C coaxial cable, option D all the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option D all the above. Ninth bit, network layer firewall works as a dash. Option A frame filter, option B packet filter, option C both A and B, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option B packet filter. 10th bit, network layer firewall has two subcategories as dash. Option A stateful firewall and stateless firewall, option B bit oriented firewall and byte oriented firewall, option C frame firewall and packet firewall, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option A stateful firewall and stateless firewall. 7th bit, a firewall is installed at a point where the secure internal network and untrusted external network meets, which is also known as DAS. Option A choke point, option B meeting point, option C firewall point, option D secure point. Answer వచ్చేసి option A choke point. 12th bit, which of the following are the types of firewalls? Option A packet filtering firewall, option B dual homed gateway firewall, option C screen host firewall, option D all the above. Answer వచ్చేసి packet filtering firewall. 13th bit, what is one advantage of setting up a DMZ with two firewalls? Option A you can control where traffic goes in three networks, option B you can do load balance, option C you can do stateful packet filtering, option D improving network performance. Answer వచ్చేసి option B you can do load balancing. 14th bit, a stateful firewall maintains a dash which is a list of active connections. Option A routine table, option B bridging table, option C state table, option D connection table. Answer వచ్చేసి option A routine table. If 15th bit, if a computer in a network access resources that are shared by other computer, it is called a dash. Option A server, option B client, option C receiver, option D sender. Answer వచ్చేసి option B client. 16th bit, if a computer in a network shares resources which can be accessed by other computers, it is called a dash. Option A client, option B server, option C sender, option D receiver. Answer వచ్చేసి option B server. 17th bit, computer which is powerful with faster processor, more memory and disk space in a computer network is called. Option A client, option B server, option C sender, option D receiver. Answer వచ్చేసి option B server. 18th bit, in a computer networking, computer usually play roles which are dash. Option A 1 or 2, option B 2 or 3, option C 3 or 4, option D 4 or 5. Answer వచ్చేసి option C 3 or 4. 19th bit, the network layer constrains with option A bits, option B packets, option C frames, option D none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option B packets. 20th bit, the 4 bytes IP address consists of dash. Option A network address, option B host address, option C both A and B, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option C both A and B, network address and host address. Thanks for watching.